In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view and delete saved passwords in Firefox quickly and safely. This is a super useful tutorial if you've forgotten a login, want to clean up old saved credentials, or simply want to manage your browser security better. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens Firefox's main menu, where you'll find a number of browser settings and tools. From this menu, click Passwords. This will open the Firefox Login Manager in a new tab, also known as About Logins. Here, Firefox shows all of the usernames and passwords you've saved in the browser. Once you're in the Login Manager, look through the list of saved sites to find the one you want. You can scroll manually if you only have a few entries, or use the Search Passwords box at the top to quickly find the website you need. This is especially helpful if you've saved a lot of logins and want to narrow things down fast. After selecting the site, click on it to open the login details. On the right side, you'll see the password field, and next to it there will be an eye icon. Click that eye icon to reveal the hidden password. Firefox may ask you to confirm your identity using your device password, fingerprint, or system authentication, depending on your security settings. Once confirmed, the password will be shown on screen so you can copy it or note it down. Now, if you want to delete a saved password instead of viewing it, the process is just as simple. With the login details open, look to the top right of the details pane and click the remove button or the trash can icon. Firefox will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete the saved login. Click confirm and the password entry will be removed from your saved logins. This is a great way to tidy up old accounts, remove incorrect credentials, or improve your privacy if you no longer want Firefox storing that information. If you ever need to manage more saved passwords, just repeat the same steps for any other site in your list. You can always return to the password section in Firefox whenever you need to review, update, or delete logins. And that's it. Now you know how to view and delete saved passwords in Firefox in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.